Years ago, there was a forest near Chandnagar. There was a big banyan tree, on which both a crow and a cuckoo lived in their nests. One night, a strong storm started blowing in that forest. Within no time, it started raining. Within a short time, everything that was in the forest was destroyed. The next day, the crows and the cuckoo could not find anything to satisfy their hunger. Then the cuckoo said to the crow, "We live in this forest with so much love, but now we have nothing to eat. So why don't you, when I give you an egg, eat it to satisfy your hunger, and when you give an egg, I will satisfy my hunger by eating it." The crow agreed with the cuckoo. Coincidentally, the crow laid the egg first, and the cuckoo satisfied its hunger by eating it. Then the cuckoo laid an egg. As soon as the crow started eating the cuckoo's egg, the cuckoo stopped it. The cuckoo said, "Your beak is not clean. You wash it and come back. Then eat eggs." The crow ran to the river bank. He said to the river, "Give me water. I will wash my beak and eat the cuckoo's egg." The river said, "Okay. You bring a vessel for water." Now the crow quickly reached the potter. He said to the potter, "Give me the pot. I will fill it with water and wash my beak and then eat the cuckoo's egg." The potter said, "You bring me clay, I will make you a vessel and give it to you." On hearing this, the crow started asking for soil from Mother Earth. He said, "Mother, give me the soil. I will make a vessel from it, and fill that vessel with water, and clean my beak. Then I will eat the cuckoo's egg, to satisfy my hunger." Mother Earth said, "I will give you the soil, but you will have to bring a trowel. By digging through it, soil will emerge." Running, the crow reached the blacksmith. He said to the blacksmith, "Give me the scabbard. I will take out clay from it, and give it to the potter, and take the utensils. Then I will fill the vessel with water, wash my beak with that water, and eat the cuckoo's egg." The blacksmith gave the hot scabbard to the crow. As soon as the crow caught hold of it, its beak got burnt, and the crow died in agony. In this way, the cuckoo cleverly saved its eggs from the crows. Lesson from the story. The story of the crow and the cuckoo teaches us that one should not trust others blindly. This causes harm only to oneself.